Assalamu alaikum. Today we are discuss about types of circuit breaker. This is a very important of the students and electrician and industrial use of this type of breaker. Please watch the video and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and like and share the video.
Automatically operated electrical switch designed to protect an electrical circuit from damage caused by excess current from an overload or short circuit or in no load condition. Circuit breakers are made in varying sizes, from small devices that protect low current circuits or individual household appliances up to large switchgear designed to protect high voltage circuits feeding an entire city. The generic function of a circuit breaker, RCD, or a fuse as an automatic means of removing power from a faulty system is often abbreviated as OCPD. Many classifications of circuit breakers can be made based on their features such as voltage class, construction type, interrupting type, and structural features. In this video, I will going to show you different types of circuit breakers. Most used types of circuit breakers in this category. 1. Low voltage circuit breaker. 2. Medium voltage circuit breaker. 3. High voltage circuit breaker. Low voltage circuit breaker. Low voltage circuit breaker types are common in domestic, commercial, and industrial application and include MCB, miniature circuit, rated current not more than 100 amp. Trip characteristics normally not adjustable. Thermal or thermal magnetic operation breakers illustrated above are in this category. MCCB, molded case circuit breaker, rated current up to 2500 amp thermal or thermal magnetic operation. Trip current may be adjustable in larger ratings. Low voltage power circuit breakers can be mounted in multi-tiers in low voltage switchboards or switchgear cabinet. Medium voltage circuit breaker. Medium voltage circuit breakers rated between 1 and 72 kV may be assembled into metal enclosed switchgear line up to for indoor use, or may be individual components installed outdoors in a substation. Air brake circuit breakers replaced oil-filled units for indoor applications, but are now themselves being replaced by vacuum circuit breakers up to about 40.5 kV. High voltage circuit breaker. Electrical power transmission networks are protected and controlled by high voltage breakers. The definition of high voltage varies in power transmission work is usually thought to be 72.5 kV or higher. High voltage breakers are nearly always solenoid operated with current sensing protective relays operated through current transformers. In substation, the protective relay scheme can be complex, protecting equipment and buses from various types of overload or ground or earth fault. High voltage breakers are broadly classified by the medium used to extinguish the arc. There are 4 types in this category. 1. Air circuit breaker. 2. Oil circuit breaker. 3. SF6 circuit breaker. 4. Vacuum circuit breaker. Air circuit breaker. Air circuit breaker is an electrical device used to provide overcurrent and short circuit protection for electric circuits over 800 amps to 10k amps. These are usually used in low voltage applications below 450 V. Air brake circuit breaker, the arc is initiated and extinguished in substantially static air in which the arc moves. Oil circuit breaker. Oil circuit breaker is such type of circuit breaker which used oil as a dielectric or insulating medium for arc extinction. In oil circuit breaker, the contacts of the breaker are made to separate within an insulating oil. SF6 circuit breaker. A circuit breaker in which SF6 under pressure gas is used to extinguish the arc is called SF6 circuit breaker. SF6 gas has excellent dielectric arc quenching chemical and other physical properties which have proved its superiority over other arc quenching mediums such as oil or air. Vacuum circuit breaker. A vacuum circuit breaker is a kind of circuit breaker where the arc quenching takes place in vacuum medium. The operation of switching on and closing the current carrying contacts and interrelated arc interruption takes place in a vacuum chamber in the breaker, which is called vacuum interrupter. Dear sir, thanks for watching the video. More update, please subscribe to our channel Learning Engineering and get notification to press the bell icon.